Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So, guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you watch this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from there. Okay, so we will be checking this out right now. So this actually started an uptrend right from this support region. Since it's unable to break out from there, it gave us an uptrend signal, and of course gave us a buy signal, and of course it has been buying since then. Okay, it has actually gotten to this particular um support, resistance zone, and let me take it down up to 1 minute to check it out. So this is it on 1 minute time frame, 1 hour time frame rather. And of course, as you can see, it is still buying. If it should break out from this particular resistance zone, then it's going to buy. I actually dropped this signal in the Telegram channel. It is yet to be activated. This should be um the entry point. Okay, so this is yet to be activated. Okay, so, and of course, all the highlighted TPs are also there. Okay, so that is if it activates the entry point, then we believe that it should achieve all these TPs. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, the only way it will not buy is if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, and of course the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and this was on downtrend before. But after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend. You can see it switched from a downtrend to an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. So I highlighted some areas where it should get to. So I expect it to get to this region right from there. Okay, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, I actually pulled these out in the morning when I was doing my videos. Okay, so for those that watch my videos, you should be milking the market right now. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200, and this started a downtrend right from here after switching from an uptrend to a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. Okay, even though it had a pullback around there, and it has been playing around there for a while. And I said if it should break out below this, then that means it's going to break out from the structure and it's going to sell more. And I also pull out trading signal for this also in the Telegram channel, and this is yet to be activated also. So this should be it should give us more selling opportunity if it breaks out from here. But this pullback is still a buy, which might not be for long. Once the pullback is over, then it will continue with the downtrend. Okay, so for now it is still buying, which might not be for long. Okay, most especially if it's unable to go more than that, okay, then it will continue with the downtrend and it will sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 had been on uptrend, got to the resistance and was unable to break out from there, so it has started selling right from there. I also dropped a signal for this in the Telegram channel, and of course, guys, this is selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, let's check it out together. FX volume 80. Sorry, let me quickly check this before we move further. Okay, now let's check FX volume 80. So this is FX volume 80, and of course, this had been on downtrend for a while, got to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there. Let me take it up to the time frame to check it out together. So this is it on 1 hour time frame. As you can see, it is still very much on downtrend. I also dropped a signal for this within the Telegram channel, and it is going very well. We are in big profit already. So this is still selling at the moment, and it's still going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.